Can you still hear me?
Yes, I can still hear you. Let me know when you're all set.
I'm set now. It's recording. I want you to tell me some of the things you do in your role. What do you do?
All right, so I'm here to help folks like you with scheduling meetings with the peak manufacturing team. I can assist with things like getting quotes, checking order statuses, and providing info on our services. Basically, I'm your go to for any initial inquiries or set more about.
Yeah, I was interested in having a quote built. What do you need from me?
Great. To get started on a quote, I'll need a description of the part or assembly you need. If you have any drawings or specifications, that would be super helpful. Also, let me know the material and quantity you're looking for, along with your target delivery date. And of course, I'll need your name, company info, phone number, and email to send over the estimate. Sound good?
What if I wanted to put in a service request?
If you're looking to put in a service request, just let me know which machine or line needs attention and what issue you're experiencing. It'd be helpful to know when the problem started and your availability for a technician visit. Also, any site specific safety or access requirements would be good to mention. And of course, I'll need your contact details too. How does that sound?
That sounds great. So it sounds like you can do quote building. You can do service requests.
If you're still there and need more info, just let me know. I'm here to help with whatever you need.
Yeah, 100%. So it sounds like you can do a whole bunch of things. We're just trying to show you off for YouTube here. So thank you so much for the help. I'll call you back if I need you. Okay. Bye now.